feeling great. I've been with this. It's been planned for like nearly 2 years, and postponed because of COVID.
Anxious, but I'm excited to marry Vincent. Known him like my whole life, so just ready.
Just a meaningful day. All our friends are there, and then they're gonna watch, and they've all been watching for us for like 8.5 years, so long anticipated. Well, official meeting day was high school. We dated a little bit, and then we parted ways for a long while. And then we met again in college at one of Matt's parties.
He came to my friend's backyard party, and I hadn't seen him in a while. And then, we exchanged numbers again, and then we went to a concert, and then the rest was history from there.
She says I came out to her, but she came out to me. She followed me to my car, and then asked when we should see each other again, I guess. And then,
And we've been together for 8.5 years since. He always challenges me to do something new. Like, I would never go on these 3, 4, 5 mile hikes in upstate New York if it wasn't for him.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Jericho.
He always challenges me to learn something different and not be afraid to go outside my boundaries that I would normally be afraid to do. And anything that happens, a bad situation, we'll end up laughing 5 minutes later about it, and we're always happy. We never go to bed angry. So it's funny, it'll be something and we'll end up laughing over it, oh, that was even a big deal. And he's just always a good person. He always tells me how much he loves me, and we just understand each other.
Just the relationship we built, and it's just we laid down a strong foundation, been together, been on wacky wild adventures to find somebody else to be. I don't think I can. I don't think I can find anyone that can that loves my quirks and personality. I don't think I could find another personality I would mesh well ever again. So there's that.
I love you. I can't wait to be your wife. It's been a long time coming, and I'll always be your boo. I can't wait. I'll see you at the aisle.
Rebecca Vincent, and we're here. And we're gonna live our best lives.